National Industrial Court has adjourned the suit filed by the federal government against ASUU. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. This are the top 10 stories. At number 1, the National Industrial Court has adjourned the suit filed by the federal government challenging the ongoing strike by the Academic Staff Union of Universities to Monday, September 19th for a hearing of the interlocutory application of the federal government. At the resumed hearing on Friday, counsel to the federal government, James Igwe, asked the court to give the suit an accelerated hearing due to the urgency of the matter to enable the students' return to school. Igwe told the court that since the matter was already in court, it would be proper for the strike to be called off pending the determination of the suit. At number 2, the Senior Special Assistant to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State on new media, Jubril Gawat, on Friday justified the auctioning of 134 vehicles impounded for several traffic offences by the state government on Thursday. The exercise generated a lot of reactions after videos went viral showing some of the vehicle owners wailing while their vehicles were being auctioned. Explaining the reasons behind the action on Friday in a post in a Twitter thread, Gawad said the exercise was totally in line with the provisions of the Lagos State laws. According to him, some of the vehicles were seized for offences that attract only fines, but the owners abandoned them, leaving no other option to the government than to auction them. At number 3, the Abuja Police Command has arrested a 32-year-old man who farms plants suspected to be cannabis sativa in the Federal Capital Territory. In a statement by the FCT Police Command Public Relations Officer Josephine Ade, the suspect named Theodis Joseph was arrested by a team of the command attached to the anti-narcotics section. According to WA, the arrest was based on credible information that the suspect cultivates a large farm of the prohibited plants at Godab Estate in the Life Camp area of the FCT. Ade said the suspect in a voluntary statement confessed to having been in the practice for about 2 years. She explained that the command has perfected all arrangements to hand him over to the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency for further prosecution. At number 4, the National Association of Nigerian Students scheduled its next protest to hold in Ondo State on Friday. NANS has been on a week-long protest since Tuesday due to the prolonged strike action by the Academic Staff Union of Universities. In a statement issued on Thursday by the chairman, NANS National Task Force on End ASUU Strike Now, Ojo Raymond, said the national leadership of NANS has declared that it is a no-retreat, no-surrender agitation. Meanwhile, the Osun Sector Command of the Federal Road Safety Corps has revealed that it had cleared the gridlock on the Bogon-Ibadan Expressway, which was caused by the protest. At number 5, the British High Commission offices in Abuja, Lagos, and across Nigeria will be closed on Monday, September 19th, as late Queen Elizabeth will be buried in the United Kingdom that day. This is contained in a statement posted to the official Twitter page of the United Kingdom in Nigeria on Friday. The tweet, however, stated that the UK visa application centres in Abuja and Lagos will not be affected by the closure. At number 6, according to reports, crisis erupted in the ongoing land tussle between Alajja and Ugbedo communities in the Udu and Wari southwest local government areas of Delta State. One person is reportedly dead. The police command in the state is yet to confirm the incident. Sources revealed that there was a gun battle early Friday between warring communities with security operatives. The Alajja and Ugbedo land tussle has been on for years. The crisis has claimed lives and properties. The Delta State government has set up a panel of inquiry to resolve the land dispute between the two communities. At number 7, the government of Abia State has called on residents of the state to detest from harassing, intimidating, and arresting the State Urban Planning Authority personnel who visit building sites to monitor compliance with guidelines. The State Commissioner for Land, Survey and Urban Planning, Dr. Chidi Onwuchuruba, gave the warning at a meeting with UN Human Settlements Program team in Abia on Friday. Addressing building professionals, Onwuchuruba said that some of them joined property owners to disrupt urban planning rules. Some buildings have been marked for demolition as the state aims to sanitize its environment. At number 8, a federal high court sitting in Gusau, Zamfara State capital, has nullified the People's Democratic Party governorship primary election that produced Dauda Lawal as the state governorship candidate of the party ahead of the 2023 general election. In the judgments delivered by Justice Aminu Bapa, the court granted all the prayers by the plaintiff, which is to nullify the primary election that produced Dawda Lawal and ordered fresh primary election in line with the constitution of PDP and guidelines of the party. After the primary election, Ibrahim Shehu Busau and 2 other PDP governorship aspirants sought the nullification of the party's poll over alleged irregularities and non-compliance with the constitution of the PDP. At number 9, Azman Air has resumed operations hours after the company suspended its passenger operation amid disagreements with the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority and other aviation agencies. Recall that the airline has suspended its operation over its inability to pay the 1.2 billion naira debt owed to NCAA. Azman Air debt prevented the company from renewing its air transport license, which expired in April 2021. Both parties reportedly signed an MOU on the matter. At number 10, Kano State has approved the payment of 304 million naira as allowances to 287 eligible academic staff of the state-owned Yusuf Maitama Sule University. This is contained in a statement issued in Kano on Friday by the Commissioner for Information, Malam Muhammad Gaba. Muhammad added that the installment payment of the outstanding total staff allowances would be paid monthly with effect from October. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.